Hello, I'm Christine Halsey, and I'm here to assist you in getting your A in Introduction to Operating Systems, CEIS106. Here's our course, and if you come to modules, once you're in the course, you will see at the top of modules a list of office or huddle hours. This is with team of professors that are currently teaching the class and are available to assist you on these different days and times throughout the week, throughout the session. So feel free to jump in any of those homework huddles that fit your schedule. Okay, let's come back to modules, and if you look inside the introduction and resources section, come down a little bit, you'll see live lessons, and this is how you'll access the live lessons as well as the recordings. And you'll see here that we have the team class that meets on Wednesday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then on-site only, I meet in Decatur on Thursday nights at 6:30 p.m. You're welcome to join either of those sessions or both, depending on your schedule. Okay, you want to make sure and attend those live lessons, because the people who attend live lessons do better in the classes, because we, the professors, walk you through the material and help you better understand the requirements, and it just makes it a better experience for you. So if you can't attend, come back to the same link, click there, you'll look up top and it'll say playback room, and you go into the playback room and you'll see all the recordings that are available for the class. Okay. One thing you want to make sure to do is check your announcements and the emails on a regular basis so you stay current with what's coming out in the class, and the information that you need to know, that's where I'm going to send it to, so you know where to look. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I really enjoy assisting you. So thank you very much and have a great day.